How to release grade details. My students took this quiz and they saw immediately what their score was, but they didn't see the questions or what they answered on those questions or what is the right answers to the questions. They didn't see any of that. But now that everybody's taken the quiz and I've marked it, it's out there, I want to release those details. So to do that, I go into assessments quizzes and then I click onto the quiz in question and I go down to evaluation and feedback, and I go down to customize quiz results displays. I'm going to add an additional view, click on that, and then I'm going to set the date. Now this is for tomorrow or starting midnight tonight. I'm just going to say today so that it'll be done immediately. And then instead of don't show the questions, I'm going to choose all questions. I could choose just the incorrect or correct, but I want to show all of them. And then by default, it only shows what the learner said that the answer was, but I also want to show them the correct answer. I'd also like to show them what they earned. I have one question, my quiz is a matching quiz, and so I want them to see what the score that they got on that, if they didn't get them all right, if they got part marks, what the part marks are. I don't use standards, or in other words, outcomes, so I'm not going to check that. I'm also not going to check the class average, the grade distribution, but those are options. And then scroll down to the bottom and hit create. And then OK. And then save and close. So when a student clicks on assessment quizzes, they can see the quizzes and they can see that they did this quiz and here is their feedback. Now prior to this, they always could go to grades and see what they earned, but they can't get any details there. It's only in assessments quizzes that they can get the feedback. So they click on attempt, and there theoretically could be multiple attempts. In my quiz, they could only take it once, but that's your choice, and they'd have a different link for each number of attempts that they had. So they're going to go in attempt one, and here they can see the original question, they can see what they answered, and that it was wrong. They can see what the correct answer was. In this matching question, they can also see how many points they earned. In this matching question, they can see that they earned 0.33 out of 1 and that they got this one right, those two wrong. I provided some feedback. It was a written response question and how many points that they got. And that's how they can see the results.